Here's a new 2019 Toyota Avalon. Elegance on the outside, intelligence on the inside. This sedan will captivate both passers-by and passengers. It comes with great features you love: Bluetooth streaming audio, smartphone wireless charging, dual zone climate control, 5 USB ports, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection muses this is a cabin that feels extremely roomy and is far more modern and luxurious than the previous Avalon, with top-notch materials, thoughtful details, and comfortable seats. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Put your mind at ease when you purchase a new, used, or certified pre-owned vehicle from Eastern Shore Toyota. Call, click, or stop in today. We're located at 29732 Frederick Boulevard in Daphne.